So, Tristan, what have you got there?
Gordon.
What kind of Gordon?
New track master Gordon. He's
Uh-huh.
missing pieces of track.
Uh-huh. What's new about it?
He climbed up steeper climbs.
Well, look at me. Hold it up and show me. The other side. Too. Yep, very nice. Very nice. I suppose you want to play with that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, let's have Daddy Daddy open it up for you.
Yeah, and we'll put batteries in them too.
Mm-hmm.
He looks good. Look. Look. Look.
Well, there he is.
There he is.
Here's the manual.
Excuse me.
Dad, we'll see if he takes AAA batteries.
Oh, I'm getting the back of your head here.
And puts 2 AAA batteries. 2 AAA.
Yep.
Mom,
Do you want to go get 2 AAA batteries?
I will. Go get 2 AAA batteries. There it goes. Got it. That's the sound when it crashes.
Oh, okay.
You see him on the track.
Gotta try him out in all the places, huh?
Goes, Dad.
There he goes.
Here he goes.
Uh-oh, he got stuck on the switch.
Oh, come on. Mix it, Dad. What's... He's... thanks, Pop.
Yep, you're gonna have to help him over the switches. See how he does down there by all the... Oh! He derailed.
He derailed, Dad. He derailed.
Couldn't get in, could you?